We're going to Niagara Falls. So we're waiting for boarding. At tignan nyo naman, yung kasama namin tulog na. Pati yung tatay tulog na rin. Yung kapatid, buhay pa. Waiting for boarding.
Hello, hi.
Parang mas energetic si Sam kaysa yung matanda ng mama sa. Hello, sir.
Snow, isi kwan ito, isi...
Look at that, Mama Garbage. Where are you going?
Si Ate Lolo.
Mama, you're in the wild.
Nagkatawa. Nagkatawa. Saan ka pupunta? Ha?
Kanin.
Niagara on the lake. Bakit ano yung tubig yan? Di malinaw.
Hindi umulan.
We're here. We're here. At Niagara Falls. Ayan o.
We're finally out of the car. Wait. Let me just put my bag on. Okay guys, so we are here at the RO Hotel near Niagara Falls. Yahoo! After such a long journey, we're finally here. See this thing behind me? We got Samantha over here too. Hi! Wow guys, look at this. There's food over there. I think this will check me out. I'm gonna sit down. So many people coming, guys. Look at this. This is, I think, the food.
We're here.
I'm so excited.
Wait, what number? 637. You want to push your sister?
What floor?
Sixth floor. So here we go. We're going to our room. We just checked in. And here is the battered baby. So we're going to a room. Oh, is that 637?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's the...
Here we are in our hotel room. Let's go eat. Oh, it's nice. You can see there's 2 queen size here. So kasya lang kami dito, 4 kami. Okay naman. Maganda yung place. Very clean and neat. So, may pa-coffee din sila. Ayan. I-ref nyo
Ayan
lang
ang view niya, post.
Ayan ang view namin. Kasi hindi pa makita.
Guys, you gotta look on.
Yes. And let's see. Can you see the bathroom? Is it good or not? It's good? Yeah?
Medyo pan siya. Classic na pan ito. Classic na pan ito.
Nice. Nice. Good naman siya. Yeah.
Kasi nakalak.
Here we are at Niagara Falls. Look at that. Ayan. April, hi! Hello! Ayan na yung ano, Odette. We're at Vietnam here. So we go for a walk for a bit. we are. Everything is here, nearby. Ah? So here we are at the hotel. Here, check-in. Can we check the pool? Where is the pool? May pakape naman sila. So magkakape tayo. Ooh. So, ngayon, pupunta kami sa visit a friend. Good morning. Achichichichi. Si ate gising na kaya? Tulog pa. So here we are. There's no Canada Day today. So we're at Wonderland. Say hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, girls. This is Sunday.
Look at that.
Falls by walk. Oh, look at this.
Ay, hindi naman yata makita. Doon na, yun. Mamaya, mag-rides ka doon na ako. We're walking at the Clifton Hill. Punta. Ayun yung Ferris wheel na ako dito.
Doon ka.
Ano yan? Tutularan mo yan?
Guys, this is the ride.
Which one? That one? Yeah. Let's try on that side first. Let's see that one. April, let's go. Yeah. We go that way, that side. Ay, here na lang, here. Ito yung upside down na bahay din.
Ayaw pala.
Replace tower, sabi. Ayan o, dang nga. We're here at Clifton Hill.
Ayan. Tumbay itong building dahil sa lindol. Oh. Tumba.
May umakyat pa.
May umakyat pa doon, oh. Nahuhulog siya.
We're walking at the Clifton Hill. Dito pala yung ticket ng Skywheels. Balik na galak ticket ano ka? We're going down to the falls. Hey guys. So we're here now at Clifton Hill. Going to the boat. No? That's good. Midway. Hi.
Hello. Let's go. Nada, can you say hi?
Hi.
Let's go. Oh, I see. Max Museum of Stars. Oh. Hello, Samantha. Samantha woke up, guys. Oh, gee, it's Joker. Guys, that's Batman, Joker, whoever that dude is. Wow. This is exciting. There's the fun house. Emma,
Yeah.
can I go fun house later?
Let's see later.
Yeah.
Hindi, mas maganda pag gabi tayo pupunta dito. Anak ko. Para maraming lights.
Okay. So exciting.
Hi, April. Look at that. Another ice cream. Another ice cream. There. Here we go. Ay, tama ka nga doon. Oh, ito. Na. Oh. So now, we're at the falls. Hello guys.
Wow. Oh, I see it over there.
Yay. Where is the Tabachichi? Here we go, Tabachichi. Daddy, April.
Yahoo. I'm so excited. See the falls. I want to get a lot of pictures.
Look at that. Tayo sa may Canada side. This side. Ganda. This side. Ayan, si Salt Boy. And this is Tabachichi.
Ayan ang pamilyang masaya.
Let's go! Ang ganda oh. Meron pa pala dun sa baba din. Ay, doon pala yung ano, yung pagsasakay ka. That one. Pero may bata tayo. Yung blue, US yun agad. Red ang ano. Haba ng Look at the zip line there. Wala ako zip line, wala na. Wala na yung zip line. Nakaano? Mag-ride sa Canada side. Doon naman yung US side. Hello. Look at the baby. She's at the falls. Yay! Happy Canada Day.
Oh my god, I can see so clearly, guys.
Really? Can I see also, Nako? Looking at the falls.
They're so far.
Oh yeah. You can. Zip line going there.
mabagal lang. Kaslawan lang. Ito na lang.
Salt! Salt! That's my salt! Here I am with my family. Dito na kami sa malapit. Ayan. Nagtudo kami. Nagtudo nila skin. Takot maya. Look at that. Diba? Ang ganda. Hi, Sol. Hi, April. April, you're good? Yeah. And Samantha is there. Yay! Naantok na. Dito na kami sa malapit. Ayun yung US side.
Sarap ni Uncle mo.
Here we go.
Yes, churches, picnic shopping.
Yeah.
Mabalay pa din eh.
Ha? At katawa ni sa mabasa. Katawa na tayo kukulag din. Ay, chi. Look at that. Sam is there. Look at that. Ang ganda ng breeze niya. Naku. April is there.
He's putting water in my
Dad is there. And Sam is there. And Mom is here. Ah, masaya siya. Yay! Yeah! Yay! Ay, chichi! Oh, masaya siya. Namasyal.
We laughed again, guys.
Ah, look at the falls. Look. Mamayo po si ate. Konti. pupunta kami doon. So, we're going to the top. We're here. We're going to the top of the Skyline Tower.
Up top of the world.
Top of the world. Hello, tulog siya. Oh, you can play in here. But we need to go up first. Because 11:30 yung lunch natin.
Okay.
We need to be there at 11:30.
What time is it?
Do you think we can see the view?
No, I'm standing up. There's a lot of people. Are you gonna be oh God.
Yes.
We're going up.
We're going up, Grace. Oh my
Right,
God.
everyone, thank you so much.
So bright.
Welcome to
I need my glasses.
We're going up.
Yes, we are sending 500
Oh, no.
So please, this is the Canadian Horseshoe Falls on the right. So please, you can take some pictures as of this right. Right. In 40 seconds, we get to the RDR, Revolving Dining Room.
Okay, we can have
I want to see you guys.
Alright, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Alright, the first stop is the Revolving Dining Room. So please, if you are going to the Revolving Dining Room, that's the RDR on your ticket. So please, this is your stop. But the Sami Buffet is the next stop. So please, please come. RDR. SS.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait. Sige, madamdaman to dyan.
Thank you. Oh.
Ganda. Pwede bang tanggalin mo dito? You can take off your jacket. Ma-picture tayo.
What do you want to say?
This is amazing. I love this.
Pagkain. Ma-picture. At the top of the world. We're having our meal here. Get it! Let's see. What's the meal? Oh! Look at this. A lot of food to eat. What do you want? Some meat. What else? Yeah, you get first and then I will get mine. Okay? That's Daddy. What do you want, April?
I don't know. I didn't even get it.
Yeah, you can choose whatever.
Okay,
There's
price
salad in here if you want salad. Or
Yan lang?
ayo, baka meron ka naman ba? Yung beef, ayaw yung beef. Ayun ang may beef sila. Ano yung beef? Fish fillet? April? There's chicken. Yeah. Meatballs or some thoughts.
In a Salt Bay, so I hired this dude.
Yes.
My Salt Bay guys. I'm
Yeah.
Okay, get your salt.
A little.
Alright, now do the salt. Guys, it's Thank you, salt.
Nala.
Oo. Ano yan? Sinong ginaya niya, April?
Solve.
Kunti lang.
Hindi lang kahit
Salt again for another salt for my steak. So here goes. Alright, salt. Hiya! Guys, thank you. We should give it applause to salt right here.
Daddy, look at that. Hampo kaya. Going down.
Take it all in.
Down.
Going down.
Look, guys. Look, the view going down. Hi, April.
Hello.
Ang ganda. Look at that. Let's find our photo. Look at that. Baka nandyan yung photo natin. Let's see. Pagkadawat ko. Pirabi. Oh, tignan mo yan. Nung nang umapoy. Yung bundok niya. Oh. Dinosaur area. Look at that. I'm waiting for this mountain to explode. Let's see.
There's someone in here.
Look at that. Very good. Laki. Walking down the street, pretty woman. Tonight we're coming here. We're coming back to play.
Kasi, huni.
Ang katawa mo. Anak ko, huwag kang magpatong ng tubig kasi maano sila. Hello, Sam!
Oh, Sam. Oh.
Hello, Sam! Ayan, ang aming kasama na naligo. After niya mag-swimming, ayan na siya, 2 hours na siyang tulog. Hinihintay namin magising para mamasyal rin.
This time, wait. This time I want, yeah. Like it's magnetic, yeah. Super exotic, yeah. Like it's magnetic, yeah. Super exotic, dash. Like it's magnetic, papa.
Anong bago? Daddy will try that. Zombie attack. They're going. No. They're going to the zombie attack. Here. Waiting for Daddy in April. They went to the zombie attack. We are at April. fortune. Tingnan mo naman, naka-shade pa yung naglalaro. Hello, Sam! It's good? You see a lot of stars? BC and marbles? BC and marbles?
Yeah, and there was even like the scary one.
Oh my Jesus. Fireworks time. To watch the fireworks. We're here at the horse show. Where's Daddy? We're here. Waiting for the fireworks. Ito yung muna. Kitap na pamula. Paano mo video na lahat?
Ayun na, pre.
Kitap na ito nga din. Ang laki naman ang ulong yan, April. Si Sam drinking milk. Ay, Gigi. Ah, bato? Oh. That's so big. Messi? Oh yeah, it's so big. Yeah.
Joins us from parts unknown with an insatiable need to push the limits of the sky.
April will try to. What you gonna do? Okay. Wow! Thank you. Yay!
Because I got a lot of these beautiful bracelets from that golden man. I wanted to share some to my parents, of course, since I love them so
Thank
much.
you, anak ko.
Yes.
Salamat na marami.
Here,
I'm so...
for mom too as well.
How about baby?
Yes, for the baby.
How about the baby?
Yes.
Oh, nakita niya 5 tayo, kaya 5
Alternatively, you can order this street
Train
next
is
door to
going.
777
We're going back
if
to
you require any
Toronto.
assistance from transit safety, medical, or fire services.
Diba? Ang ganda ng train. Very accessible. Here is the Bajiji. Here is the Bajiji.
Also, a friendly reminder to the passengers who don't require step-free
The
access, please
Bajiji.
use all available train doors if you can, so we make it a priority in the
Bajiji.
accessibility coach to the passengers who need the folded ramp at other stations.
Cha 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 cha.